Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2018 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive. Stock number E1640PA. 26,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ingot Silver Metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Rear seats recline as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry along with touchpad entry. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, operated by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen My Ford Touch infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It is also Android Auto and Apple Carplay compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest, along with a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Escape has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 179 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon and the city average of 28 on the highway. And approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Escape, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.